Hello friends, welcome back to my talk IT training. This is your host and tutor Vicky Verma. We are doing PHP tutorial video series for beginners step by step in English plus Hindi. This is the second part of the PHP tutorials. In this video, we are going to see PHP data types, constants and variables, how to define them, how to declare them and how to use them. दोस्तों इस वीडियो में हम देखने जा रहे हैं PHP डाटा टाइप्स, कॉन्स्टेंट्स और वेरिएबल्स को कैसे डिफाइन करें, यूज़ करें अपने PHP एप्लीकेशन में. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट let's start with PHP data types. What are PHP data types? So data types is the type in which we store our data. We store our data in some data types like integer, float, character, array. So data types is the type in which we store our data. So PHP stores multiple data types like string, integer, float, boolean, array, classes, object, null, resources and many more. So friends, PHP data types ये होता है कि डेटा टाइप वो होता है जिस टाइप में हम अपने डेटा को स्टोर करते हैं. मतलब कि अगर हमारा डेटा इंटीजर टाइप का है तो हम इंटीजर टाइप के डेटा टाइप में स्टोर करेंगे, और अगर हमारा डेटा फ्लोट टाइप का है, डेसिमल में है, तो हम उसको फ्लोट टाइप के डेटा में स्टोर करेंगे. सेम वे अगर हमारा डेटा कलेक्शन ऑफ डेटा है हमारा, तो हम उसे एक एरे में स्टोर करेंगे. सो PHP सपोर्ट मल्टीपल डेटा टाइप्स. सेकंड इज PHP constants. So constants itself says that it is constant, its value will never change. So PHP supports constants, we can declare constants. And third is PHP variable. So variable itself says that it is variable, its value varies from time to time, means we can allot different values to some variable. तो फ्रेंड्स कॉन्स्टेंट्स ये होता है कि जिसकी वैल्यू कांस्टेंट होती है, जिसकी वैल्यू कभी भी बदलेगी नहीं. वी डिक्लेयर कांस्टेंट इन आवर एप्लीकेशन. सेम में वेरिएबल होता है जिसकी वैल्यू चेंज होती रहती है. मतलब अगर मैं x लूँ, x की वैल्यू 5 डालूं, फिर x की वैल्यू मैं 10 भी डाल सकता हूँ, फिर x की वैल्यू मैं 20 भी डाल सकता हूँ. तो x एक वेरिएबल है, इसकी वैल्यू बार बार बदल रही है, 5, 10, 20. सो दिस इज कांस्टेंट एंड वेरिएबल. So now we'll first of all write our first PHP script. We'll see how to write our first PHP script and how to declare constant, variables and arrays and print them on our screen. So friends, for this I'm using a Microsoft Web Matrix editor. So to write a PHP script, first of all we need to use this tag, PHP tag, same format, and then we will write our first line, echo this is my first PHP script, and we'll save this file. And this is the same page, and we will run this page. This is the same page which is being displayed here. So I will refresh this page. So you can see friends, this is my first PHP script. Okay. To print this on screen, I need a PHP function which is known as echo. So I have passed this value in echo function and it is being printed on our screen. तो दोस्तों हमें हमारा पहला स्क्रिप्ट PHP स्क्रिप्ट रन करने के लिए, उसको प्रिंट करने के लिए ब्राउजर में हम echo फंक्शन का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. So echo function prints whatever you write in that, pass that value in function. You can also use single quotes, you can also use double quotes like this and save this file. और friends, अगर आप रिफ्रेश करें फिर से ब्राउजर को, आप देख सकते हैं कि फिर से वो this is my first PHP script print हो रहा है. So this way we can print anything in our browser. One thing more I want to tell you that we can use multiple PHP tags in our page, as many PHP tags as much we want. बस फर्क ये है कि ये PHP tag जो है ये आपके सर्वर पे एग्जीक्यूट करेगा, ना कि आपके क्लाइंट पे. Okay. So using these PHP tags, I have written this Markov PHP tutorials. These all things has been written using PHP tags, not by using directly HTML. Means I'm printing using this HTML using PHP tags. So how I'm doing this? Let's see. So as I told, we can use multiple PHP tags. So you can see this here. I have used echo function to print this. I have also print h1 tag, h2 tag, ul and li tags. These are HTML tags. I have written this into ul and li, and I have printed on the screen using just PHP. Okay. So the second thing we will see now is that how to declare a constant. So friends, how to declare a constant? For declaring a constant, we use define and then the constant name. This is the constant name greetings, define constant name, and then welcome to Martok IT training. This is the constant value which I have defined. So greeting, welcome to Martok IT training is being stored into greetings. So if I echo this greetings constants, this should echo on my screen. Okay, let's check. So you can see it is being echoed on my screen. This is being printed on my screen. So after this way we can declare constant, we can declare multiple constant. But friends, you should know when to declare constant. So we should declare constants such as our site base URL, which is never going to be changed. So such things which are never going to be changed should be declared as a constant. Okay, domain name. There is the base URL, which is never going to be changed. So we declare constants. So दोस्तों, आपने देखा कि इस तरीका से हम कांस्टेंट डिक्लेयर कर सकते हैं. ये ग्रीटिंग्स एक कांस्टेंट है जिसमें वैल्यू स्टोर है वेलकम टू मार्टॉक आईटी ट्रेनिंग, और जब मैं इस ग्रीटिंग्स को इको कराता हूं तो हमारे स्क्रीन पे प्रिंट होता है वेलकम टू मार्टॉक आईटी ट्रेनिंग. ओके, सो इस तरीके से आप कांस्टेंट डिक्लेयर करते हैं. बस ये ध्यान रखें कि कांस्टेंट सिर्फ उसके लिए डिक्लेयर करें जिसकी वैल्यू कभी चेंज नहीं होती है. जैसे कि साइट यूआरएल, बेस यूआरएल साइट का हम डिक्लेयर करते हैं एक जगह, और वही बेस यूआरएल यूज करते हैं जितने भी फाइल्स हैं एप्लीकेशन में लिंक करने के लिए. उस टाइप के डिक्लेरेशन को हम कांस्टेंट डिक्लेयर करते हैं. आफ्टर दिस फ्रेंड्स, we are going to see how to declare variables. So to declare a variable, I have shown here, this is a string type variable, txt text. To declare a variable, first we should know that variable is being declared using a dollar sign. We use a dollar sign, always a dollar sign to declare a variable, whether it is a string variable, whether it is an integer, whether it is a float, whether array, we have to always use a dollar sign. So, and all this should be written inside PHP tags. And all this will be executed on the server. Interpreted, not executed, sorry. So, here I have declared a string. This way we can declare a string. So, hello world is being stored into text. So, here I have declared an integer. So, x equal to 5. 5 is being stored into x. And here I have declared a float. 10.5 is a floating decimal value, and I have declared in y. And here I have declared a array of cars which contain 3 values: Volvo, BMW and Toyota. So we can declare a string, int, float and array this way. So friends, now how to, one thing I want to tell you, that while declaring this only in array, I am telling that this is an array, but while declaring a string, integer or float, I am not defining the data type. So this is the benefit in PHP, that we don't need to define a data type at the beginning. As we pass the value, whether the value is integer, constant or string, PHP automatically understands and convert your defined defined variable into such data type. Suppose this PHP automatically understood that text is a string data type, and x is an int data type, and y is a floating data type which store a decimal number, and car is an array, so it stores a multiple items. Here it is storing 3 items. So this way we can declare data types, variables. Now to add to variables, we can declare a z equal to $z equal to $x plus $y. So what this will do, z will add x plus y. So we can see this z value by using echo function. So we will echo. So we will echo. I will write in next step. We'll use echo dollar z and semicolon. So let's see what's the value. The value should come 15.5. So I will refresh the browser and you can see the value is 15.5. Okay friends, let's first of all I should comment this. To comment in PHP, use double slash to comment a line. You can see I have used the multiple double slash to comment. So after this, same way you can print x also, same way you can print y also, and you can perform any arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division in such a way simply. Now we have declared this and you can echo everything. So friends, हमने देखा कि हम PHP में स्ट्रिंग, इंटीजर और फ्लोट कैसे डिक्लेयर करें. यहाँ पर txt टेक्स्ट एक स्ट्रिंग है, x इंट है और y फ्लोट है, और z एक वेरिएबल में हम x और y की वैल्यू जोड़ रहे हैं और z को प्रिंट कर रहे हैं, इको करा रहे हैं, जिससे कि वो प्रिंट हो रही है और 15.5 की वैल्यू हमें मिल रही है. सो वी कैन प्रिंट दिस वे x, y एंड z. बट हाउ टू प्रिंट a array? So friends, we can't use echo function to print an array. So friends, to print an array we need to use a print r function. So here is a print r function. Print r does the same thing, but it prints array. Okay, so let's see print car, it is printing car or not. So you can see it is printing array. So friends, it is printing array. So we can't use array. To print an array we should use print r function. दोस्तों आप print r function का इस्तेमाल करें array को print करने के लिए. echo से print नहीं होगी आपकी array. Okay, one thing more I want to tell you my friends, that there is a function named var_dum which tells which data type a variable is. So what is the data type of a variable? So if you want to know a data type of y, suppose, and let me first comment this line, print. So what is the data type of y? Let's refresh this. So it is a floating type and it has a value of 10.5. It is showing this way. So we can check, we can dump any variable and we can check that what type of data type that variable is this way. We can also dump an array. We can also dump an array and check whether that what values are stored and what. So you can see it has dumped. It is an array type and has 3 values and stored in 0th, 1 and 2nd position. So this way we can check data type of an variable. दोस्तों हम var_dum फंक्शन का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं डेटा टाइप वेरिएबल को, वेरिएबल किस डेटा टाइप की है उसको चेक करने के लिए. मैंने आपको ये करके दिखाया. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood how to declare and use data types, constants and variables in PHP. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech videos. You can write your queries in the comment section below. Thank you once again.